Hello guys, welcome back to Befa Tech Solution. We are here again with another tutorial video. This time is Gionee S11. I'm going to show you on this tutorial how you can reset Gionee S11 without a PC. This is a step-by-step guide on Gionee S11. So just follow the step closely and you will succeed in resetting this phone without a PC. The customer bought this phone to us after changing his password, but he forget the password. But unfortunately, he tried severally, but he was still unable to open the phone. Then he brought it back to us. Okay, let's assist him. So let's try the code he told us he tried. Okay, let's see if it can work. Unfortunately, error, wrong code. So if you are new in this channel, please click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, like, and share this video to all the technicians. And also please drop your comment, because this comment and your like will help you to recommend our video to other technicians. Please do well to support our channel. Now let's switch off the phone as we begin this tutorial. Okay, let's just wait for it. All right. Okay, this is it. Go. Okay, so you press this power button and the volume down, the volume up and the power button at the same time. So let's do it. Though this one is giving me some time, the volume up button is difficult to press, but we'll try. All right, let's try. All right, so you see it now. We'll select a recovery mode. We'll select recovery mode, which is the first one. Just press your volume down or OK button. Good. All right. Okay, so you're seeing no command. No. Now we can press this. You have to be trying to press the power button either with volume up or volume down until it show you where you can factory reset. So let's try. Alright, now show you reboot system, wipe data, factory reset. So let's go down to wipe data, factory reset. Then you click on the power button, this one. So you just wait for it and go to format data. Alright, so let's reboot now. Let's see. So this might take some time to reboot, but so let's just watch. So let's still wait. It's loading. It's loading. Yes, this is it. So it has been set back to the way it was bought at the initial time. So now we'll not try to bypass. So I'm going to show you how you can bypass this in the part 2 of this video. So please watch out for the part 2.